Welcome to America Reads Fun and Learning Activities, where college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities vary from different topics such as history, science, health, or even arts. Thank you for joining us to learn today. Today we will have Brianna, and myself, Luis, who will be helping us out today. In today's activity, we'll be learning about making different healthy snacks by following recipes and also following instructions while doing so. But first, we will learn about 5 different vocabulary terms that you guys will learn in this video. Our first term will be snack. What is a snack? Well, a snack is just a light meal that you guys can eat throughout the day. Let's say you have a granola bar, for example. You could eat that granola bar in between breakfast, lunch, or even after dinner. Our second term would be recipe. What is a recipe, you might be asking? Well, a recipe is just a set of instructions using different various ingredients. So, let's say you have a cake recipe, for example. That recipe contains instructions, ingredients, and other things in order to help you guys to make that. Our third term would be instructions. Instruction is just an outline in order to make something. Let's say the cake recipe again, for example. The first step might be to prepare the ingredients, or the last step would be to decorate the cake. Our fourth term would be ingredients. Ingredients are just different foods or substances in order to make something. Let's say the cake again, for example. That cake can contain eggs, butter, flour, or other ingredients in order to make that. Our fifth and final term would be measurements. Measurements is just the number of amounts or size of servings that you guys can use in order to make something. So let's say the cake again, for example. That cake might contain 3 eggs, or even 1 cup of flour, or even 2 sticks of butter. It could vary from different measurements. Now, Brianna will be showing you guys how to make ants on a lawn, and Brianna will be showing you how to make energy balls. Let's see how they make these amazing snacks.
Hey guys, it's Brianna. Today we're gonna be making a super yummy snack that is super simple and delicious. So, today we're gonna be making ants on a log. Not really, but let me explain. So, let's start off with our 3 basic ingredients. Celery, peanut butter, and raisins. Or almond butter if you're allergic to peanut butter, totally cool. Our ants being the raisins, obviously, and our log being the celery. And that peanut butter is just there for some yumminess. Alright, so this is just a perfect mix of sweetness and some crunch in there. 100% delicious. So, let's get into it. So first, let's get our peanut butter. Raisins and celery. Now keep in mind, I washed and cut them beforehand, but they also sell pre-packaged like celery. Just make sure to wash it and wash your hands, which I already did. So we got our celery right. Let's open up this peanut butter. Get some in here. You can put as much as you want. I usually just fill up the whole thing with peanut butter because I just like how it looks. Let's put that down. Raisins. Now you can put as many raisins as you want. I usually just put 3. 1, 2, 3. Totally up to you. You can put less or more. And that's it. That is all you gotta do. And now let's try it out.
Hello guys, I'm Brianna, and to continue off with our healthy snack recipes. I'll be showing you a fun recipe to do at home with family or even friends. We will be creating no-bake energy balls with rolled oats, semi-sweet chocolate chips, peanut butter, and maple syrup. Okay, I call these energy balls because they are full of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Healthy fats are coming from our peanut butter, which help maintain a healthy brain function, as well as growth and development. Our protein is also coming from our peanut butter, which helps build and repair muscle tissues. And our fiber, of course, is coming from our oats, which helps maintain a healthy digestive system. You can, once these energy balls are done, you can grab them on the go after a workout or after a long day of physical activity to regain back your energy. It's also a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth, just like I do. Okay, so to start off, we will start with 1.5 cups of oats. I measured all these in advance, but I will make sure to have those measurements for you. So 1.5 cup of oats. And then we will get 1/3 a cup of chocolate chips. 1/3 a cup of maple syrup. And 1/3 a cup of, a half a cup of peanut butter. Again, I will make sure to have those measurements for you. Once we get all the measurements in a container, we will mix them up and make sure they are all well incorporated. And you can use a large bowl or any container available. Sorry, I kind of spilled there. Okay, once our mix is well incorporated, we will cover this up and refrigerate for about 30 minutes until it hardens and is well incorporated. Okay, so once our mixture has cooled for about 30 minutes, we will start by grabbing tablespoons of our mixture and using our hands, we will form this into small balls, such as this. And these are our energy balls. So we'll continue this process until our mixture is done. Okay, so our mixture is done and we got about a little more than 10 energy balls. You can store these in your refrigerator and just grab them on the go whenever you need to.
Thank you Brianna and Brianna for making those amazing snacks. Now, it is important to know that making these healthy snacks is important for our nutrition and also for our healthy lifestyles. It is important to make the right choices in order to be healthy and active throughout our life. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you come back and learn some more with us. Please comment if you have any questions, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with more videos.